ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ದೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, VIP ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ executed over here, right, sir? Am I right, sir? I am having a genuine question to ask with you. None of them are having any answer for this.
We only know this.
Sir, tell me, you are having the protocol to be followed, right? You have all SP cadre officers, administrative officers, all of them will be having a protocol to be followed. It's a rule.
I'll talk to you once.
No, please tell me. Please tell me. This particular function, whatever is going on over here, it's a private function. Right, sir? Why should the police take the responsibility of guarding their audience? That's my question. Tell me, please. Is there any sort of... No. That's what. That responsibility should be taken by the person who is calling the crowd, right, sir? Are you getting my question?
We are all involved in CM sector.
No. Protocol is there only for the administrative officers, not for the executive officers. Whosoever is present over here, all of your executive level officers, constables, head constables, and etc., whomsoever, they are not having any protocol. Am I right, sir? You are getting my point, but you are not answering my question. Why should they be? See, why are you pressing any sort of work on a private function that of?
It's a CM program. We don't want to comment you.
No. What I am asking, whatever it is, if he may be CM or deputy CM or whomsoever, but the function that is getting executed over here is not that of government of Karnataka. It is not a function getting organized by the government of Karnataka, sir. It's a private function. I am having that absolute knowledge about it. It's a bloody private function. Whatsoever is going to happen over here, any law and order violations that will happen over here, somebody who is organizing this function should take the responsibility of the same. Why should Karnataka State Police take the responsibility of that? Tell me now, sir. I am switching off the mobile. Why? Because our